Hi there, me again. Alright, so a little bit of progress with the Yellowstone thing. I actually have a plan now, so I'm prepared. I have respirators, mask, put it on and breathe. I actually have a backup too. So for me or somebody else. Red light. Random. Base chakra. Red light. It's nice to have a room of red. Anyway, the other plan for my escape from Yellowstone is, of course, to have a telephone so I could be called when something goes on, because I don't know about everyone else, but I don't watch TV all the time, and those alerts, they're not always there when the TV's not on, so it's a good idea to have it on a phone. I don't know where I do that. I'm going to look it up. Another thing was, since I'm in Houston still, a bike. I don't have a driver's license for one, so I'm going to learn how to do that so I can dodge and weave through traffic, get my maneuver on, and if it had like some sort of enclosure, like a hood or a roof on the bike, that'd be great, so I could, get through the weather and just keep driving. Yeah, that's the plan. I don't know where I'm going to come up with the money to get a bike yet, so any donations are greatly appreciated and welcome.